Good evening. Welcome back to another training session on Zingo Academy. I'm your chief instructor, Chooks. So I'm going to take you through what we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be analyzing the markets. Okay, this time around, not forex but volatility index. Okay. Now, guys, why do I choose to introduce us to this asset? All right. If you understand what I'm saying, volatility index, they are assets being traded, on the stock exchange, okay, of large stock exchanges. Okay, so now if you look at the markets, you will see that there are a number of them. Their volatility 75. This is the most popular of them all. You have the 50, 25, 100 and 10. Okay, so but today I'm going to teach us how to trade this volatility 75 index. Okay, all right, guys, so now we're price action traders. We're not going to do anything less or more than looking at price. We're price action traders. We don't use indicators. We only use indicators to add confirmation to our trade decisions. Okay, so guys, what we're going to do straight off is we're going to look at the market structure. All right, so you just hop into your chart and you jump up to the daily time frame. We're going to start from the daily time frame. Okay, for me this time frame is high enough for you to look at what the market is doing. Okay, so guys, what is this market doing? Clearly this market is is trending down. Okay, this is a down trend. All right, you can see from this trend line, this market is trending down. Okay, so you have identified market structure, and I tell you guys, what you do when you want to trade any instrument, okay, look for the direction of the trend. That's why you have to identify the market structure. When you identify the market structure, you know where the market is headed. Okay, and as much as possible, take position in line with the structure of the market, in line with the direction of the trend. Okay, the trend, as they say, is always your friend. All right, so guys, first thing you do, you identify the trend from a higher time frame, and we've done that. We've seen clearly that this market is on a downtrend. Okay, on the downtrend. So guys, what do you do next? All right, I've seen that largely this market, it's okay, you can see this is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. Okay, and we're here at the lower low. All right, so clearly this market is trending down. So what you need to do next is to look at opportunities, how you can enter this market. Okay, the analysis is still going on. So what you do is this. Let me reduce this candlestick size. All right, so now you have real estate of your chart, so you can look at what market is doing previously. Okay, you can see that clearly this market has been respecting chart patterns. Okay, market has been respecting structure. All right, and the other thing you identify in this market is that price is king here. Okay, price is king here, and when the market is trending up, you see it trends up for a very long time. All right, so this is a market that respects structure and trend. All right, so guys, so what we need to do now is that, having identified the structure of the market, we need to now we need to now drop down to lower time frame. We cannot trade off this higher time frame. Okay, this is not the best time frame to enter the market. All right, so you need to look at other opportunities from the lower time frame. Okay, so guys, if you drop down to the lower time frame, let me delete this trend line. If you drop down to lower time frame, the 4-hour time frame, now you'll be able to see clearly what this market is doing. All right, so guys, I can see that this market is still trending downwards. Okay, so all in all, we're looking for a what? We're looking for a sell opportunity in this market. Okay, so how then do you further give this price action structure? You have to identify chart patterns to trade off. Okay, so the chart pattern I can see here is a what? It's a bull flag. Okay, now let me show you what I mean. If you get your equidistant channel tool, okay, Okay, you can see this is a bull flag. Okay guys, this is a bull flag, so you have to look for opportunity to trade this market. You know, this is a bull flag. All right, so you just have to mark out your structure, mark out the structure of this market. Okay, mark out the structure properly. So what I need to do here, guys, is that I need to mark out the structure of this market properly. All right, so when you do that, then you can now start preparing and to look for better entries in this market. All right, so guys, this is what I have. This is what I have for this market. Okay, this is what I have. All right, so you start looking for opportunity here. So let me explain what market is doing here, okay, or what price is doing here. You can see that price has tested this level here. Okay, this level here, this is the higher point of the market structure here. Okay, and here, you know, market has entered into a range, into a channel range. Okay, and it's trading up and down the channel, and where it is now is that it has shot off from this resistance level of this upper channel bound. Okay, so and market is pushing down. All right, so you now technically have to look for an opportunity to enter the market from the lower bound of the channel, that is somewhere here. Okay, you allow this market to pull down successfully to this level, and you look for an opportunity to trade it to the upside. Okay, now from this chart pattern, we all know that the theory of this chart pattern is that this pattern will break to the upside. Okay, let me show you what I mean. This pattern will come here. All right, hit here. Okay, then from there it will come back to this level. All right, now the other opportunity you have to be looking at here as well is a breakout from this channel. Okay, you can also trade breakout from this channel, but from where we are now, we'll be looking for an opportunity to take the market, wait for the market to get down and test this lower band of the channel, which is the support level of this channel. Then you look for price action pattern, okay, to take a long position in the market and take it to the upside here. All right, so guys, the other thing you need to do is that you can also drop down to lower time frame so that you can get a better perspective of what price is doing here. Let's drop down to lower time frame so that we can get a better perspective. All right, so this is our, hold on a minute, so this is our 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see from here, you see what the market is doing, similar to what it did, you know, from the 4 hour time frame. Market is still pushing down here, so we're going to be looking for an opportunity. Sorry, a car is just driving through, sorry for that noise. All right, so you look for an opportunity to get the market at this point, okay, at this support level, and you take a buy to the upside of the channel. Okay, so this is the opportunity we'll be looking for in this market. Okay, this is the opportunities, guys. This is what I mean. All right, so this is what you'll be looking out for. Okay, this is what you'll be looking out for. All right, so guys, so this is all I have for you today. So right now, you wait for the market to come to you. All right, don't be in a hurry to enter this market. Already the market has gone far down. Okay, you can't enter the market here. You look for a sniper opportunity to get into this market. Sniper opportunity to get into this market and take it from a very vantage position. Okay, and so where we are now, this is where you have to wait for the market to get to this level. When the market gets to this level, then you take it to the upside. Okay, so guys, this is pure price action trading. You don't need indicator. You have to look at what price is doing in the market to enable you to determine the best direction this market is going to take. All right, so guys, the other thing you need to look at again, where you can introduce 1 or 2 indicators, but since you are not trading off from this point, there's no need for you to look for indicator anymore. You wait for the price to get to this level, okay, and you trade it off this level. All right, you can introduce your say moving average. So let's bring in a moving average 50, I love that moving average. So let's do moving average 50 and see where it is on this chart. Okay, fine. You can see moving average 50 is at the what? It's at this resistance level of price action here. All right, and this is where it is now. So you can see that at the time it was here, okay, market started pushing down. Okay, so let's introduce one other indicator, one other moving average 8. These are my good combination of these crossovers. Okay, so let's do moving average 8. Let's give it a red coloration, guys. All right, okay, see at this point, you see when this moving average is crossed, you see what happened to price came down, and both moving averages got in touch with each other, met each other at a structural level of resistance, okay, at the upper band of this channel. That is instructive, guys. So this is what price action is all about. Now the two moving averages have found out clearly well to tell you that this market is still going to go down, but I may not want to enter this market here. All right, I'll wait for it to get to this level before I would take a trade, or I could join the trade from where it is. Okay, I need other confirmation to determine whether I can enter this market from this level. I can use other indicators such as my MACD. I can use a MACD here. All right, let me see what this MACD is telling me. Good, perfect. This MACD is telling me that this price has really gone far. Okay, look at where this cross happened. Look at where this cross happened, guys. At this cross of this MACD. Okay, immediately this MACD crossed. Okay, you wait for another cross of this moving averages. Okay, you can enter the market. You can see this market, this price has really gone too far for us to enter the market here. So we have to wait for another opportunity. The best opportunity to enter this market will be at structural level. All right, will be at what? At structural level. All right, so guys, that's all I have for you on this tutorial. So I encourage us to continue to follow this market. Excuse me. At the appropriate point, you look for sniper entry opportunities to enter the market here. So that's what I have for you guys today on Volatility 75 index. Okay, so just hang on there. I'm going to do more analysis of the other markets. I'm going to analyze the 50, all right, and the 100. I've done an analysis of the 25 here, guys. Okay, and what I'm expecting here is for this price to push down here. All right, and so I see an opportunity to short the market here. All right, see opportunity to short the market here, but I'm still waiting for further signals to enable me enter this market. All right, so guys, that's what I have for you here today on from Zingo Academy. If you like what you just heard and saw now, please go and subscribe to this channel. All right, look for that notification bell and turn it on so that anytime I release new videos like this, okay, you get notified. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Okay, like this video. Okay, if you really like what you saw this evening, all right, so just give me a thumbs up. All right, this will encourage me to do more videos like this in the coming days. All right, so guys, thank you very much and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.